What's up, y'all? See, you ain't X. This is what we do. Roll around town, have fun. He just came from the farmer's market, and then check out the girls at the massage parlor. Dice hola, babies. Ah, we got to do the fishing thing, man.
Yeah, do the fishing thing right there.
So, yeah, man. Look at Hawko's a great town. Look at the warm weather. So, yeah, man. So, just gonna have some fun, pass some time until the nighttime, and then, you know, hit up the spot that everyone hears about, the legends. Look at this bridge right here.
Yeah. Somebody drove off it a little bit ago.
Right now?
No, like somebody drove their car off of it.
Yeah.
In the beginning of this year. It's pretty freaking funny.
Here's one of the gyms up there with the open air gym, and then you can work out. And then we got the girls right there say, hola. Hola, baby. Hey, is that the massage place? Yeah? So that's a good massage place with the things, but they're good for like, I guess the fake massages too. So they got KFC right here. Look at that, Pizza Hut's back there. And this is where the movie theater is. See the little sign, you can't even tell, but there's a movie theater. We're supposed to go watch a movie, but the girls, it's all kids movies today, so the girls didn't want to watch it, so kind of fucked up our plans. So, yeah. But yeah, you're getting kind of in the background, you're kind of seeing the entire Hawko right now as we roll.
This is the cafe for breakfast.
Good breakfast cafe across right there.
In my opinion, it's not the best.
This is the haunted fucking, the cursed fucking, everyone that owned this one, some of them died, and every business that's been there has closed. Was that the Beetle Bar before?
No, the Beetle Bar is this one. The Beetle Bar is where Rolling Thunder is.
So here's a park right here. See? Beautiful, beautiful girls everywhere.
Yeah.
Man.
They used to do concerts here in the park. They had like 7 parades a year here.
Wow, it's a nice park. You could chill here. Lots of parrots here in the afternoon.
Yeah.
The green ones.
This is Rolling Thunder. This is where the Beetle Bar used to be.
This used to be the Beetle Bar, is now Rolling Thunder. It's like a biker bar, I guess, or a rock and roll bar. Here's the golf carts. Coco Bowl. All right, man. This is where we're gonna part ways and meet up later. See you later, man. Say adios to everyone. Hope to see you guys here. He's the guy again, like I mentioned. My boy down here, he'll show you everything. He's got the hookups for everything. He'll take care of all the fucking shit you need to do. He's got all the events and activities and anything
you need, I got.
Right.
Well, I like to think of myself as Costco.
Yeah.
You know?
So great guy, get along well. You guys will love him. That's why I'm recommending. You know, I won't recommend anyone that I personally wouldn't like hanging out with. So he's got my fucking seal of approval. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Pura vida.
Go enjoy your tranquilo dia.
I'm gonna go have my fake massage here in a minute after I stop sweating.
Oh, make sure you get a good one.
All right, I will. Later, man. All right, guys, hope that helps. And if you need help with anything over here, like with activities, transportation and everything, I got all the connections for you guys. They're American and they speak English and they know everything that's up. The personalities are awesome. I'll put you in touch with them so they can book all the activities and get you transportation over here. And you won't have to think about anything. You can just come here and not worry. Just bring your bags and you'll have like buddies that'll take care of you, man. And you know, it'll help them make money as well, since you know they're living out here and it's tough if you're trying to make a local salary over here. So this will help them as well. And again, like if you own a business and accept credit cards, that's a business that I do that helped me retire young and live this lifestyle. Like if you're still paying for the credit card service fees, you don't have to anymore. I can help put that money back in your pocket, and instead of wasting your money paying to the bank, you can use it to come here and spoil yourself and pay for a bunch of you. So I'd rather do that than throw my money away to the bank. So all right, guys, that's it for now.